you're ready to work your glutes, then donkey kickbacks with a bent knee or a straight leg are a great way to do that. So I'm going to start with a long band, and I love these bands that have just enough stretch to them that you can really kick back. So this is, the red band it's one of the looser bands. So if you were to go with maybe a green or a black, that's going to be really tight, not really appropriate for this movement. So grab a glute band, and you're going to start kneeling in between it and getting one foot set up. So your hands are holding the band in the front, your leg is holding it in the back, okay? So tabletop here position with your shoulders over your hands, knees are right over your hips, and you're already kind of cocked with your foot here. To start with this one, I want you to keep your knee bent. So I'm going to show you the donkey kickback with a bent knee first, and you're lifting the movement up and back in. Okay, up and back in. So high with that, you'll really start feeling that in your glute. So that's the bent knee. We can take this into a straight leg now, which is going to be a little more challenging, and you're going to lift and kick back to straighten it out. So you bend all the way in, kick up and out. You don't have to go really high with this movement. You keep your foot flexed throughout, but you really squeeze that glute in your hamstring at the top while you're keeping your core tight. Make sure you don't let your stomach sag. You want to keep it nice and tight throughout, up and back. So that's the straight leg version. The bent knee version keeps it in towards your body a little bit more. All right, those are donkey kickbacks.